Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vandevi and Vaidehi Hing. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today we're doing a very basic recipe which is an essential in most of our kitchens. We're making an Imli ki chutney. I hope you enjoy my recipe. For our Imli ki chutney, we have Imli or tamarind, some gur or jaggery, water, some jeera powder, kala namak and lal mirch powder, and we'll be adding a little hing. To make our chutney, I'll be adding water, the tamarind or the imli, and the jaggery in a pot. I'm going to allow this to cook till the tamarind is soft and the jaggery is melted. Now our tamarind is softened and the jaggery has melted. I'm going to take this mixture and strain it through a sieve. To our strained tamarind mix, I'm going to add red chilli powder, some rock salt or kala namak, roasted jeera powder, and a pinch of hing. Mix this well and your Imli ki chutney is ready to be used. You can use it for any of your chaats, to serve with samosas or any other appetizers, or as you like. I hope you enjoy this recipe.